Okay, this is the homework for this 3.2 day 4. I did the first video, working on the second. Okay, Lillian has nickels. This was from the Illuminate question. So, excuse me. Lily has nickels, dimes, and quarters in her coin purse. She has 3 fewer dimes. She has dimes here, so dimes is important. She has 3 fewer dimes, so she has dimes. And they are 3 fewer than. Here's the word than. Okay, than means she flipped, so minus fewer means minus 3 than quarters, so quarters minus 3. So the word dime comes first, so it's that equals. Okay, it's just like the fruit thing. Whichever one comes first is what you're trying to find. Some of you are having a hard time with figuring out what you're trying to find. You're trying to find dimes here. And 3 times as many nickels as dimes. 3 times as many nickels. So nickels comes nickels. Most of the time this works as dimes. Okay? She has a total of so whatever it is, it equals to 33 coins altogether. Nickels, quarter, and dime. She has 33 altogether. Okay, which one do we not have a variable for? We got dimes. We need nickels here. So missing is nickels, right? So, I mean quarters. Missing is quarters. Q-U-A-R-T equals to X then. So that's X. Right here, quarters X. So dimes and this equals X plus 3. So this expression is for dimes. So put that into where dimes is. So this becomes 3 times X plus 3. Okay, which can be distributed to 3X plus 9. Simplified further. So we're going to add all of them together. We're going to add this one plus this one and plus this one. So nickels, dimes, quarters, and dimes, nickels, and quarter, add them all up together. So dimes is X plus 3. Nickels is, we're going to use this one here, plus 3X plus 9. And quarters is just X. Add them all together. We do all the like terms. We get 5X plus 11 equals to 33 coins. Minus 11. Uh-oh, I copied wrong. This is a minus right here. So 3X so minus 3. Uh-oh, that's wrong. This is wrong also. Oh my goodness. Minus 9 here. Okay. So this is minus 9. This is minus 11. Add 11, add 11. Oh, sorry, add wrong. That should be 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 45 here. equals to 5x. Divide by, oh my gosh, very late. It's 1 in the morning. 5x divided by 5. X is 9, so we get 9 for a number of quarters. X is 9 quarters. If we know it's 9 quarters, then dimes is 9 quarters minus 3, which is 6. So you get 6 dimes, 9 quarters, 6 dimes. Let's see how many nickels. Nickels is 3 times the number of dimes. Dimes is 6. So we get 3 times 6, which is 18. Okay, no solution. Making it no solution, you put any numbers. Start with the side with 3 numbers, which is this side. This only has 2. So you get negative whatever number you want times whatever number coefficient with x minus 3. Okay, start with that. Let's say you pick 4, 3. So negative 12x plus 12. So negative 4 here. Distribute. Okay, that equals 2. Well, then this needs to be, right here needs to be a negative 12x plus no solution means these are different. So 15. Negative 12x plus 15. We know that this is no solution. You can stop right here because the coefficient of negative 12 are the same and the constant of 12 is different than 15. So when you explain this, you need to say that I know this is no solution. Here, I think my husband snores louder than I can teach. I know this is no solution because the coefficient of negative 12 are the same on both sides. While the constants are negative, and these are the constant of 12 and 15, are different. Okay? That's how you explain that. I think we did this one. No, we didn't do this one in class. Okay, least common denominator is 10. Least common denominator is 10. So we multiply this one by 10, this one by 10, this one by 10, and nothing in the parentheses. 2p minus 3. Keep that the same. Okay, cross cancel here. That gives you 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. 8p equals 2. Cross cancel. 1 times 3 is 3. Cross cancel. No, you don't cross cancel. They're whole numbers. Just multiply. You get 50. Can you solve that? You distribute. Okay, 6p distribute minus 9. And then you minus 50 equals to 8p. Now here's where you need to be careful right here. Negative 59, and then you get 6p here equals to 8p. You minus 6p minus 6p. 0 minus 59 is a negative 59. And this is 2p right there. Divide by 2. answer P is a negative 29 and 1/2. You divide, you have a remainder of 1. Okay, next problem. The initial value of the graph is right there. It's 0, 15, 0 of servings. You use, and there's 15 cups of milk. That's what it means. Initial value is, you explain, initial value is 0, 15, which means these questions will be on your test next week on Wednesday, which means 0 at 0 servings before they serve. There are 15 cups of milk. The rate of change, okay, let's find the rate of change here. Pick 2 points on this graph, any points you like. Pick this one here as my first, 6, 6, and then this one here as my x1, y1. This one as my second, x2, y2. So rate of change is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 15 minus 6 over 0 minus 6. So you get 9 over negative 6, or negative 3 over 2. So that means down 3 cups of milk. These numbers are cups of milk. 3 cups for every 2 servings. So that means that they use 3 cups of milk for every 2 servings. Whatever restaurant this is, that sound like. The rate of change is, you finish writing this, is negative 3 over 2, which means for every 3 servings they used up, for every 2 servings they used up 3 cups of milk. For every 2 servings they used, that's why it's a negative, 3 cups of milk. And then what's the end value? End value is right here. It's 10 servings, 0 cups of milk. It takes 10 servings for all 15 cups of milk to be gone. That's what it means. End value is 10, 0. It takes 10 servings for all the milk to be gone. Okay, you need to choose a shipping company. Ship pass charges this much. Speed delivery charges this much. The graph of the equations that represents the situation is shown. What package weight do both companies charge the same price? Okay, when do they charge the same price? What package? Weight, 2 pounds. At 2 pounds, they both charge $4. Both company, that's the break-even point right here. Both company charge the same amount. Of $4. Write an equation for total cost for both ShipFast and Speedy. Write an equation, okay? Make sure you define the variable. Okay. I must be tired. All right. ShipFast. Let's just put ship. It's $2 per package plus $1 per pound. Okay. We're trying to find weight, so we give the variable to the per with the weight on it, pound. So not the per package. It doesn't go for per package because we're trying to find weight. Weight is the independent variable. $2 per foot plus $1 times the number of pound equals to the total cost here. Okay, that's ShipFast. And then Speedy is $3 per package plus 50 cents per pound times the number of pound per means time pound equals to total cost. Okay, so that's the two equation. So you got 2 plus P equals to T, 3 plus 0.5 P equals to T. P equals to the number of pounds and T equals to the total cost. Okay, simplify. Oh, is that it? Okay, good. Simplify that. 7 times 7. So the answer is 5. This 5 right here times whatever this answer will be. Answer 7 P. There's 9 of these, so there's 4 pairs of them with 1 P remaining. Okay, only 1 pair of 7 there. So your answer is 35P to the 4th with a radical P right there to the nearest tenth. Be careful that after you get your answer, whatever your answer is 2 times the answer. It's 2 times that. So it's between 64 and 81. Very close to 64. So it's between 8 and 9. So I would choose 8.1. 2 first and then 8.3 and see what happens. So multiply and see which one is closest to 87. That's how you do that. And then make sure you answer whatever one of these you need to times by 2. So your answer is 16 point something. Okay? It's very important. Okay. That's it.